myself. But the main problem with most of these page builders is that they are just too complicated and too time consuming to use, and that's after you've managed to get it all set up. They can also cost you an arm and a leg too, and a lot of them charge by the month or the year. Yes, page builders can be a website building lifesaver if you get the one that's right for you. With Easy Page Builder, we wanted to strip back all of the complicated setup and the huge learning curve that's involved with some of these page builders. And we also wanted to strip back the costs for you too, giving you an affordable, user-friendly page builder that takes just seconds to set up and anyone can master in just a few minutes. But hey, rather than me just telling you about this, let me show you exactly what it does and how simple it is to use too. Okay, so here we are inside of the members area, and as you'll soon see, everything is very, very easy and simple to use. Okay, so the first page you'll come across is this admin welcome area, okay, where you can enter your name and email if you like to get notified of updates. But you can also do something else in here. You can also back up your entire site by simply clicking on that link, and that will send you to a download where you can back up